What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and we're gonna be doing a whistle on my phone. Now, y'all know we're on the dawn of the S25 Ultra, so this is kind of bittersweet. This is probably the last whistle on my phone you'll see with the S24 Ultra. Possibly, I don't know, but for now, it's kind of bittersweet because we're on the dawn of the next device. So let's get into what's on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, January 2025. Okay, YouTube, so we're gonna start all the way from the beginning. Now, this is my always on display. I rock always on display. Shout out to Good Lock. Good Lock is an app that you'll find on the Galaxy Store. There's a lot of One UI customization involved. And I basically use that to kind of set up my always on display, where as you can see, I got the day, the month, the date, and the year. And also combined with that, I got a picture of me and my pops. Shout out to my pops, the GOAT. Rest in peace. But yeah, just a nice, clean, always on display. And I mean, honestly, it don't kill my battery life like that. But this is the always on display of my S24 Ultra. This is my little setup. If you want to try a copy, you're going to have to download Good Lock. I'll show y'all that app a little bit later. Now, this is my home screen, guys. And not too complicated. I'm not using Nova Launcher. This is actually just One UI, and this is not One UI 7.0. I'll probably be trying One UI 7.0 on the S25 Ultra. I'm not using beta right now. I'm just not in the mood for beta. I'll wait till it's really out and see what it's really about. But here goes my home screen, guys. So very interesting. I got a notes widget at the top. I'm trying to keep this thing clean, so I got a notes widget at the top, and this works with the S Pen, and this is the native Samsung type notes. I like to still utilize this, even though it's hard to utilize this across different devices. You know, I'm on iPhones, I'm on Pixels also. But since I pick up my S24 Ultra a lot, I don't mind using it because this device is never honestly really full. But y'all know this is a productivity device, so there's a lot of productivity on this home screen. But before we get into that, I know a lot of folks is going to ask, I told y'all a while ago, this is Pixel Clock widget. Y'all see how I got the widget? That's the clock, and I put a image or a picture in there of my logo, BG Tech Life. Definitely a dope app. Everybody likes the Google Clock widgets, but they're not sure how to get them. Now, you can just go ahead and download the Google Clock if you're a Samsung user and get those widgets, or you can download this Pixel Clock app and, I mean, completely customize your stuff. But it just basically lets you put an image in the clock if you want to. So it's just kind of like a dope widget, but at the same time, when I'm making videos, promo. Now, just taking a look at some of the stuff that I use on the home screen. Of course, we rocking with Canva. That's how I make my thumbnails for my videos. So you might want to check that out if you're a YouTuber. The Play Store, I mean, just to go see what apps is out. Keep Notes, that's my other note client, and now I can use that across all my devices. That's basically Google Notes, Keep Notes, and we just got Google here because I don't have any Google search bar, as you can see on my home screen right now. I didn't feel the need to put that. Next, we got YouTube Studio. Of course, I'm a YouTuber, gotta keep up with my analytics and see what's going on. Drive. That is, you know, my cloud storage. That's what I use for cloud storage, guys. I think I pay like $199 or $299 a month, like maybe 100 gigs, something like that. Settings, you know, of course, we gotta get to those settings. YouTube, that's probably one of my favorite apps to just watch. Like, a lot of times y'all don't realize, like, I love to watch YouTube. Like, I think that's one thing that most YouTubers got in common. Even when we done with videos and making our own videos and stuff, I know I like to watch a lot of YouTube. I like to watch a lot of different tech channels, outdoor channels, all kind of channels, guys. But I definitely don't really watch TV. I'm mostly on YouTube. And then down here at the main row, we just got the crucial social media apps. And you can follow me at all these apps. BG Tech Life is on all these apps, guys. Instagram, Facebook, X, Threads, and Telegram. And on Telegram, we got the Team 100 VIP group. We're going to get up in there for some tech chat, just let me know. I can add you or send you a link. Then, of course, the dock is just the most regular and crucial stuff. Phone, Google Messages. Of course, we're using Google Messages now, guys. Don't use Samsung Messages. Samsung is already, they about to get rid of RCS. Just so, let's all get on Google Messages so we got something universal going on over here on Android. Of course, Gmail, Chrome, and the camera. And when I swipe to the right, you're going to see I got like the Google feed here that introduces me to certain videos, certain articles, and things of that nature. The things that Google think that I'm interested in. And a lot of times they do a good job. I come over here, find an article, find a video, things of that nature, or figure out something I want to talk about if I decide to live stream. So this is pretty, I keep this feed going at all times. I always have this feed, no matter what phone, what I got going on. I just like to see this feed. And sometimes when I'm bored, just scroll. So then we keep it simple. Swipe to the left, and we're going to have a calendar. A lot of times I need to know the day and the date, even though I don't write a lot of stuff down. I just like to have a calendar here in case I do add something, but a lot of times I just need to know what day and date happens and, you know, when I'm free and things of that nature. And then you swipe to the left again. And I think this is probably the newest widget that I'm going to show y'all that's very dope. Now, this is from my app. I got an app on my device called GCPU. And GCPU just tells you a lot of stuff about your phone, and you can use this dope widget. And as you can see, it just it's kind of like maintenance. It tells you a little bit of everything about your phone. As you can see, we running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We on Android 15. We got the temperature, the memory used, how much CPU is being used, and the storage amount. You know what I'm saying? How much storage I got left, how much total storage I have, stuff like that, guys. So I think this is like kind of like a fire app, because sometimes I'll peek at this app depending on what I got going on with my phone and look at the temperature and just like things like the memory used, just getting real familiar with the internals and how the phone really run. I like to just keep this widget right here, guys. It's a good looking widget and just give you a lot of info when you're really interested in to see what's going on with these phones at certain times. And this right here is my YouTube music widget. Of course, I'm rocking YouTube music because I pay for YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is getting expensive. I don't know, I still probably pay for it because I hate watching ads on YouTube. I feel like if you've been doing YouTube for a long time and making videos for a long time, they should just give you Premium for free. It is what it is. But anyway, at least paying for YouTube Premium, I get YouTube Music. And I'm not paying for any other music apps. People say, oh, you could get a better sound and all that. No, I'm too cheap. YouTube Premium is already expensive enough. So I'm just going to use what's free through YouTube Premium for sure. But there's not a lot going on with my device, guys. I just go through my apps and give y'all some honorable mentions of some stuff that I think y'all could maybe use or take a look at. Now, if you look at my apps, guys, we got the Blackmagic camera app. I feel like Blackmagic need to step it up and really update this. This app is pretty cool. It tells you different things about the different lenses and any individual Android phone you're using, if you can install it on that Android phone. But I don't feel like it's good as the app on iPhone yet. They need to work on that. Blendy is a wallpaper app. A lot of dope wallpapers. I play this Call of Duty sometimes, and I use it a lot of times to test a device. CapCut is dope. I added my videos on CapCut on my PC, but they got the Android version, so I'll make reels and stuff on my phone. Clock widget. This clock widget right here, they make some dope widgets, guys. So if you like different clock widgets and something that's easy to make, some clock widget apps to me get confusing. This is pretty simple and it makes some clean widgets. And we look on this page, CSR Racing, I like to play that a lot. That's a really fun game. You switching gears and racing and stuff like that. And it's a good game to test like refresh rates on devices. I mean, y'all know about Facebook. Y'all know about Expert Raw. Downloading that from the Galaxy Store if you want to shoot raw photos on your S24 Ultra. Evernote is definitely a note app that I want to try out, but the premium version is $14.99, which is crazy. So I haven't even got into that. Y'all seen the widget, but the widget come from this app right here, GCPU. And as y'all can see, this just tells you a lot of stuff about your device. And I mean, it's just pretty cool, guys. I definitely like this little app right here, and to keep you in touch with what's going on. It's like a maintenance app, but just a little bit more cooler than the maintenance app that's on your phone. We got Galaxy Enhancer. That's another app that you'll find on the Galaxy Store. That's like it does a lot of AI editing to photos. Geekbench 6 just to test, test devices and see, what I'm a processor guy, so I like to see what the processor is working with. Google Gemini. Google Gemini definitely does its thing and it's getting better. Shout out to Google for this. I use this on my S24 Ultra and my Pixel. This is way better than anything that's going on Apple Intelligence right now. So y'all can see I got both versions of GTA. We got Grubhub to order the food. Good luck. A lot of customization for one. If you're a Samsung user, you like to customize, download Good Luck. Trust me and just take a look at it. HP Smart. That's just used for me to, hook to my printer and print things straight from my device. On this page is a few. And Shot, I used to use that for video editing before. CapCut. You see, we already talked about Keep Notes. Kick, I don't know, that was just like watching people stream over there, but it seemed like that's falling off. LumaFusion, a really good video editing app on Android, and you can get it on iPhone. Just a really quality video editing app that works real smooth. Lux, that's an icon pack. A lot of times people ask me where I get my icon pack from, and it was Lux. But these are just the regular icons, and they just themed out, and you can see they mixed up. For some reason, you can't theme all the apps yet. Like, eventually we need to get there. Like, you see there's a lot of, some apps themed, some not, whatever. But, yeah, just a couple apps, guys. Not really also on this page. Maybe Nova Launcher if you like customizing your device. That's just a launcher with a whole bunch of customization. But this right here, guys, Pixel Clock widget. Pixel Clock widget is definitely what I use to make that widget on my home screen. It's pretty dope. So if you like that, you might want to check that out. And Wallraw. Wallraw is another wallpaper app. It's kind of like Blendy. Very dope wallpapers on it. I think I paid $1.49 for each one of those apps. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's what's on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, January 2025. Shout out to the S25 Ultra on the way. But definitely, this has been a go-to device for me this year. Really strong device for me. Something that I always loved and always like to pick up. My favorite device, if I only had one device, I had to be honest with y'all, it would be this. I've been using these throughout the year, Notes and Ultras. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.